I am going to open this MP4 file. MP4 file is playing in Windows Media Player. Now I am going to cut and copy the file to somewhere. The action can't be completed because the file is open in Microsoft.Media.Player.exe message is showing. To fix this, close the media player and try copying. Now the action can't be completed because the file is open in Runtime Broker message is showing. Solution: open Task Manager where we can find a Runtime Broker. Scroll down to find the Runtime Broker. Right click Runtime Broker and end task. Now try again copying the file. File is copied successfully. Know more about Runtime Broker. Subscribe.